How to use advanced table plugins on Obsidian. Hello guys and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to talk about this application called Obsidian. Now the first thing you're going to do is of course install the plugin. Now to install the plugin, you're going to go to your settings over here on the bottom left, and you're going to click on Community Plugins, and you're going to click on Browse. Now when you click on Browse, you would be able to see all the different plugins that is made for Obsidian. Now you're simply going to look for an advanced table plugin that you would like. Right now we have this one over here. If you don't see any advanced tables on your section over here, you can simply type in the name over here on the top on your search bar, and you would be able to see all the different plugins that has advanced tables. Now we're simply going to click this, and as you can see here, we have a demo video over here that also explains how it works and like how to use this specific plugin. To install this plugin, you're simply going to click on install, and as you can see, it's currently installing, and you're going to have to wait. And just like that, after installing, you're simply going to click on enable, and this specific plugin would be enabled. You can see how it works under demo video over here. As you can see, they are easily creating tables with ease, and it is automatically adjusting. You could see how it is being used by checking this page over here. To create a slide, create a single line character, that then type the table's first heading, then press tab. Continue entering heading and pressing tab until all the headings are complete. Press enter to go to the first row and continue filling cells as before. You can also check out this table over here to explain more on how to use this plugin. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.